My name is Pål Vigeland, and I have worked with metal my whole life. Since then I was in the State School of Applied Art in Schwäbisch in '67. So in late '68 I went to Bergen as a designer for a silverware factory, and then I was there for about 10 years, and the early '80s I left the factory and started my own studio in Bergen, where I was until 2001. And then I moved back to my home city, Oslo, and have since then have different studios in Oslo. Now we are in my studio in Heggedal. It's about half an hour outside Oslo. This studio is very comfortable for me and what I'm doing now. I work with very different materials. I started with jewellery. I made jewellery in silver and gold until '83. But from then on I made more objects in copper and brass. I felt more free, I felt more possibilities to make what I wanted to do in copper and brass, and also in lead, aluminum. And I showed these objects in the solo exhibition in Bergen in '83, and then the next time in Oslo in '86. And from then on I only made objects and sculpture in copper and brass. I had a very nice cooperation with churches. The latest Vestfossen church outside Oslo. So that's the last. And in Bergen, outside Bergen, I have made objects for churches. Also in Hamar, I have made objects for the church. Currently, I work to an exhibition in this year, the summer, in a small gallery in the South Norway, Borøy gallery. And then the next year I will be in Fredrikstad, the art center in Fredrikstad. And after that, in '23, I hope to exhibit in Bornholm Art and Crafts Center. So I have enough to do for all these first 3 years. There will be objects and sculpture in copper and brass, and also I use leftover materials, which we can see here behind me. And I use used cans and food cans. This is a project that will give a sculpture which I will have to this first exhibition, Borøy Kunsthandel. As you can see, this is a labyrinth that has inspiration from the labyrinth in the cathedral in Chartres, in the floor there. When I put these two pieces together, these are cast in bronze, you will see a sculpture like this. These two pieces will be soldered together and gives this form. And this is leftover material from these mackerel boxes. This is an object, an octagon, which is put together from a lot of small pieces. I make a lot of these small pieces and put them on here. So it's massive and will grow bigger and bigger. So I think I will have this piece a little bit bigger. Well, I had find it fascination with this color and the design of this box. I was so lucky to meet Jorunn Weiteberg 3-4 years ago and told her about my ideas to make a new catalogue. But she said that you should have a book, Pål. And I asked her friendly, how shall I do that? And she connected me with Arnoldse, and Arnoldse felt that interesting. So then I had contact with the professor Gunnar Danbolt, which I knew a little bit from my time in Bergen. And from then on, I had a very good cooperation with the photograph Guri Dahl and the designer, the book designer Rune Dørli. So they made this book possible for me. You can see what I have done in from I started in '68 until now. Its book gives an overview from my whole career as a metal artist. I think that 3 exhibitions is enough for me to work on because it takes so much time. Each work takes about 2 or 3 months at last. So I hope that will be enough for me.